This jollof rice, I give myself a 9 out of a 10. The only thing missing is the spicy. Welcome back. Today my 5-star preparation today will be some jollof rice. This is a first time. Pray for me. This includes onions. I'll be using chicken broth. I'll be using 1 large red bell pepper, tomato paste, onions, and I used 1/2 bell pepper because I don't want to make a large pot and then my family will not like it or it did not turn out well. I chop the veggies large and I will be putting them in the NutriBullet to chop them up because I'm lazy to get my blender, and I will just be using the portion that is used to blend food, and I did put a little spicy pepper in it. I used a purple onion and I used a large one. All this will be blended or pureed to form a paste, and I blended this with some chicken broth. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, the rule of the game is please remember to give the video a like. It is free. It costs you nothing to give a thumbs up on my video or my videos. Here I will be pureeing this, and I will be using some bay leaf in it because I want to. Once this is liquefied, I'll show it to you here, and there is the texture. I will be adding this on the stovetop to boil. And I did 2 cups. I pureed and I heated my pot and I allowed this to boil. Now, some persons or other videos I've seen, they used a lot of vegetable oil. I will be using avocado oil in mine, and I used a little tiny hint. So the oil that I used, I will be putting some of the white onions, the purple onions, bay leaf in it. I did use some garlic, I did use some thyme, and then I added some tomato paste and a little curry to form a little paste. I left this on medium heat for 5 minutes, and then I will be adding it into my already boiled pot where the peppers and all that I pureed is already cooked. Then I will be adding some chicken broth. That was what I added in, another cup of chicken broth. And if you're interested to try this recipe, the ingredients will be in the description box. I added 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I did add some pimento grains in it, and I am adding 2.5 cups rice in this. I did add a little hint of salt, although the chicken broth has salt, and a little, which was like a 1/4 tablespoon of Maggi bouillon. Now, before this starts boiling, I added 2 pieces of foil paper on top of the pot to hold all the steam in. Then I cover tightly. I allow this to boil under medium heat. Remember, it's not the water or the juice that cooks the rice, it's the steam. So there it is, and I don't like a soggy rice. I don't like my rice too soft like it's porridge or oatmeal. So at this point, I am showing it to you that it still needs to steam a little more. This whole process took, I would say, 45 minutes to cook. Here your girl is stirring this up to show you, and I did use basmatic rice, which I do love to use to cook. Here is my finished jollof rice. Listen, your girl got this, and let me tell you something, it tasted really, really good. I've heard the rave about it. I've never tried it, but here I am, a Jamaican trying other cultural foods, and I decided to try this jollof rice. Would I do it again? Yes, I would. I really enjoyed it. Not a big rice fan, but it turned out really, really good. If you want yours more softer, then that's up to you. I like a shelly rice. The color, everything came out fine. I served this with a little oxtails that I prepared, and this was a quick dinner. Again, thank you for stopping by. I do hope that you'll enjoyed this video and that you too will try this, or you too will experiment. A little change is always good for us. It doesn't have to be rice and peas Sunday. Remember now, home cooked meals are important, essential, economical, cleaner, and cheaper. Jollof rice preparation, and it came out. I give myself a 9 out of a 10. I wish it tasted a little more spicy, like with more pepper. Thank you.